Hey guys, this is the first video on Toy Car Time. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to test if we drop this John Deere tractor off of this deck down there, will it survive? So, let's go. I got my little sister Alyssa here to help. She's got the John Deere tractor. And we're going to test.
In 5.
No, try and drop it right above the container. Nope, come over a little bit more, Alyssa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go check out what the damage was, if there was any damage.
It sticks to the landing.
And then we're gonna check if there isn't any damage. We're gonna she's gonna chuck it at the concrete. If there isn't. Oh, not in the camera. Okay, there we go. So, it's right there. It's like...
Comment down below if you think it got damaged.
It didn't get damaged. We're all good. So, now you get to chuck it off the deck.
Chuck it?
Yep.
Okay.
Throw it, but don't hit my camera at the bottom.
I won't hit it.
Hurry up and get up here, sis. Oh, Fergie! My dog.
Okay.
And I am not the only one in this Toy Car Time channel. There's a few other guys that'll be in other videos, but I'm the first one to upload.
Chuck it, chuck it.
Chuck it at the ground.
Okay.
I meant in front of the camera. Sorry.
Let's go check it.
Misconception. She's got to rethrow.
Yep.
Smart sissy.
Rethrow to the camera. Ain't always go which way you want it to.
Yep. I got the slow-mo rolling on the other camera.
Okay.
Okay, Alyssa, can I see the damages? Put it on the ground. And I can look
This is the
around.
damage.
Oh, it's got a little dent in the front bumper.
Yeah. Let's check it.
Nope, I gotta. You see that? All the damage that's happened. Alyssa, move. You're covering it so that we can't see. Yep. Move again. Move! Get your shade off it. Yeah, so that damage right there in the front is what's the problem. So we're gonna go again and see what happens. Take it up. Listen. Grab it. Alright. And then I will add the slow-mo clips from both of them falling at the very end.
So, in 5, 4, 3,
Chuck it right in front of the phone, but don't hit the
2,
phone.
1.
Let's go see what damage it did this time.
Yep.
If any.
Comment down below when we get it. Think if it's damaged.
And also comment down below what we should do for other videos, because I have no idea what to do.
Yeah. Comment down below.
Okay, so let's go. A little bit more dent in the front.
Yeah. But
Still okay.
chuck it
Oh,
again.
except for that it no longer twists.
Ooh.
No, it twists, okay. See? The little bit of the dent in the front still twists. Side, 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 side.